Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert a rupee currency symbol on your Microsoft Excel web on your computer or PC. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert a rupee currency symbol on your Microsoft Excel web, I just going to show. So actually in Excel web, there is no option to insert the symbol or special character. So there is no option present in the Microsoft Excel web. Okay, in web version, there is no option to insert the symbol. So I just use my keyboard shortcut as an alternative. The keyboard shortcut was to insert the dollar symbol was you just want to press Ctrl key plus Alt key and also 4. So the combination of these three key, so this combination will insert dollar rupee symbol. So you just want to press Ctrl key, Alt key plus 4, and you just want to first of all you just want to press Ctrl key, then Alt key, Ctrl key, Alt key and 4. This is how you just insert the rupee currency symbol on your Microsoft Excel web. So you just use the 4 key on the top of the keyboard, don't use on the number side. So this will insert the rupee currency symbol on your Microsoft Excel web. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet in the next video with the super valuable content. And if you have any doubt, just comment below. I just make a video about it, and we will meet in the next video with the super valuable content. I am Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.